What is up, everybody? It's time for another episode of Let's Talk Stocks. And you're checking out a new format, man. What do you think? Oh, wait a minute. The Let's Talk Stocks show. Got to say the show. All right, so now, okay. You're looking at a new format. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. What am I looking? I'm looking at my Twitter. I didn't even got my stock. This is my Twitter, y'all. This is Dre, but it's at Trade with Dre, because I couldn't get This is Dre. Somebody got that already. But so I just tweeted out what's going on here, and there it is. I'm buying Twitter. Yeah. So this video, I'm going to tell you why. And am I live? I got to make sure I'm live, because I'm telling you what's going on here. I can't see my comments. I'm having a hard time, y'all. Oh, shoot. What the hell happened? All right, so I'm going to assume I'm live, and then let me get my comment box out, man. It's got to be, all right, there it is. All right, so I can see my comments, and let me know if I'm not live, and let's go ahead and go to the charts. Man, so I was looking at Twitter. Here it is. God, yo, it's bothering me. Hold on, man. Is that it? What does that say? No, where's YouTube? YouTube right here. All right, there it is. It's saying my health is bad, though. Okay, I'm live. There we go. Let me know in the comments if it's a shitty stream or something. So here we go, man. There it is. So 1 hour chart. I was actually eyeing Twitter for a while, and I just decided to get in just because of this bump right here. Now, you know, many people may fade it, but I was looking at the market open. For some reason, I was just going through some stocks, and I saw Twitter, and I just like that particular run-up right here. To me, it's like, oh, shoot, somebody's buying Twitter, because a lot of the big money be buying. They be buying stocks in the beginning, man, because a lot of liquidity is there. So that's my little thing. So I'm like, okay, I like that bounce. And I bought it somewhere when it kind of came back about 50%. So right now I'm underwater, but that's okay, man, because I told you I'm not good at particular entries and exits. I actually suck at that. So anyway, I don't even know how many people I got on here. There it is. I got good health. Okay, so anyway, I'm looking at the long term. Gosh, this is going down. I should have waited, but I can't look like that. All right, so let's look. That was the minute. So let's look at the hourly, and I'm liking the hour, how it pops up. It was heading down for a while, man. God damn, ever since June 10th. I mean, so I think we might have hit the bottom. Yes, everything rallied yesterday, so you can't really look at yesterday, because that's what I'm looking at right here. Yesterday is action, but no, I like the whole pullback. So there's the hour, and I'm going to pull up the daily, because we're going to look at this in multiple time frames, because I put in the comments, I bought the leaps. I bought the 36, 38 leaps, okay? And I know Twitter's going to be having earnings within a month, so I just wanted to go ahead and get on. I can't call the bottom, okay? I can't do it. All right, so here's the daily, okay? And you can see how it was flatline for a while. It's choppy, man. This is one of them stocks I call Chop City. Look at that. And then you got a little upturn, okay? I'm looking at the 50. I'm looking at that red line right here to the right. Let me know if you can see it, because I know the format's a little different. It might look a little squished up. But you see how it's rising. We declined, and now we're kind of at that bottom. So I'm like, this is why I've been eyeing it. I just think now is the time. So let's pull out the weekly. And as we get to these bigger time frames, you will definitely see, because those look like those are shitty charts right there. You look at that and you're like, oh man, it's still Chop City. This one, the weekly, it's been rising. The 50 is going flat. It's the 50 week. I'm looking at the red line, but you did have the crossover to short term, right? So maybe it's about to turn. Stochastics is going down. All right? You're like, yeah, this stock sucks, man. What do you show me, Dre? I'm showing you the monthly. Look at the monthly. Everything just changes right here. So, I mean, Twitter's been coming down a long time. Look at the volatility squeeze right here, and it's been flying ever since, and now you got a pullback. This is multi-year action, and you know how I like how the multi-year action is way better. Okay, when things happen on a multi-year, not just the minute, the 5 minute, the daily, you get big moves. The moves last forever. So we had the volatility contraction and then the volatility squeeze, right? And we went basically from 19 to 45 in, I don't know, about a half a year, all right? Because I'm looking at the monthly. And then that little cup, it's almost like a nice big cup and handle right here, all right? So this is why I've been eyeing it. Look here, okay? Look at this month right there. That's April. Look at the month April had. Volume is good. It's still, it's below the monthly average, but volume has been weak for a while. I think people's running from this damn market. But volume was good. Volume was up. And then see, here's your pullback, and this is what decided I'm gonna go ahead and get in. So yeah, I didn't maybe necessarily time it good on the daily, the month, the minute, the daily, the monthly. I'm just getting in. Why? I'm buying leaps. They priced out there. Volatility, the VIX is down for the most part. It's 13. It's low. Let me show you the trade. There's the leaps I bought, the 36 and 38s. Okay, and let's look at the option to statistics. Hopefully you can see it. The put to call ratio is 0.33. There's 3 calls to every put. Okay, 3 calls being traded for every put. Also, now let's look at something, because here's the options I traded. Okay, 17 January, right? It's 199 days. And I got let me pull up the volume. All right, I'm going to show you the volume. And this is the volume. Look at somebody traded 4,268 today at 49 strike, right? Just maybe, it's a lot, but not a lot. Let's go to the open interest, okay? Let's look at the open interest of this. Okay, this is how many contracts are open. And you look at here, the 70 strike, 170,000 contracts. Oh my God. That's crazy. Okay? That's crazy. Look at all of the open interest on these call sides. And some are on the puts, but damn, 170,000 at the 70 strike. Those calls are 15 cents. 14, 15. Makes me want to buy, I don't know. Gosh, it makes you want to buy it. Now, those calls will start gaining money if the stock is just going up. Okay, it just needs to go up and it'll start making money. All right, so it doesn't necessarily need to get there. Now, if it kind of hovers around, does shit, it's going to just start dwindling away. But it's already, dwindled away. Anyway, so all right, so we was just looking at that. Okay, I wanted to show you. Okay, there's that. Let's look at the December. See? Look at the open interest. 3,000, 1,000, 3,000. And let's go to that September here. 12,000. There's nothing there, but as you can see, that January, oh my God, 170,000, 171,000. It's crazy, man. Oh man, I might have to pick up about 100 of those. Yeah, $13. Yeah, no, yeah, 13. That'll be 1,000. You never know, man. Get on board. That thing pops on earnings, and this might be the next Beyond Meat Twitter. So anyway, I like that monthly, and I'm go ahead and I'm on board. So I'm trying to bring up my monthly again. Where the hell did it go? I swear. I'm on it. Anyway, so it's coming down and it's just rebounding and it's kind of making that cup. It's making that handle in the cup, and hopefully that guy selling 100, buying. I'm gonna say he's buying, man. You ain't selling no 70,000 contracts. No way, I ain't doing that. So anyway, you see the put call ratio 3-1. People's getting in the calls, man, and something might be here. Something just might be here. It's a short time. The 70s. I mean, that's you basically, for those to be in the money, you're expecting to double, from here within 6 months. That's kind of crazy. I mean, Twitter would need to have a huge, just total numbers that nobody expected. Just totally just breaking out, but you never know, man. This was good action. It kind of came down with the rest of the market. Market's kind of getting its feet back. I still kind of don't like it. But here we are. And maybe I guess it's gonna go back up again. I am looking. I think, who I got in the house? Can I get you in the comments? Because I'm telling you, I need to. My whole feed is jacked up because I don't know if I was doing some privates. I want to make sure I'm not private, man. I did that before and I was pissed off. All right, so we'll go ahead and look at Amazon real quick. It's just breaking my heart here. I like the monthly. I'm gonna pull up the 5-minute because look how it's just been going. We had the pop yesterday, and it's just been straight. Oh, got the wrong chart on. It's just been straight down. Straight down. And I know we popped. Really popped. It was only 20. I think Amazon was only 20 points. Something like that. 24. And I know, the market's kind of down today. When is it? The Dow's down 12. It's hanging in there. It's recovering. And I want to see it go up, man. Go up. You're disappointing me. You was 1929. You 1911, man. Oh, man. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for this run, waiting patiently. I was even thinking about at one point here getting into puts, but I'm in the calls. Look at that. It opened up and just, damn. And it's just, here I thought I was like, all right. Then look at that, low, high or low, and then low or high, and then not quite a lower low. That would have been dangerous right there. And now it's kind of going up. Can we get past that high right there? Please don't do another lower low, a lower high. Don't do that. Come on, Amazon. You ever just root for a stock? That's me rooting for it. Anyway, so yeah, so that's it, man. Those are my trades. I got the Twitter going on with the leaps, and let me pull up Twitter with this chart right here. Why is it not showing me? Give me a minute here. Mess with my time axis. Let's bring it to 0. Yeah, I think I know why. Twitter. I don't think it was open. When it opened, though, way back here in 2012 or 2013, is that right? But that's all the data. Yeah, because it was $74. Twitter opened up crazy, and then it went down to 13. And I was in and out down here, the 13, in and out, made a little bit of this. I don't know, but if you got in right there, man, for the most part, May 1st, 16. It's been running. This has been a damn good trade. If you got in at the low right there, it's basically been straight up. A little pain from last year, because if you zoom in, let's erase that drop. Look at that chart right there. Oh man, let me make it a little better. Could I make that a little better? Look at that. Just one over. Yeah, now that you're like, oh yeah, get on board. Look at this consolidation right here, and then this starts to blast off. You just thought it was gonna do one of them Amazon charts, but it just pulled back and came back to reality. You thought it was gonna do one of these, and no, it came back to reality. It's kind of just, but anyway, maybe, just maybe it's that time again. Twitter needs a good blowout earnings report. Just blowout number. It pops 20-25%, and I think shorts will get out, new longs will get in, and it'll just kind of ride off into the sunset. And so that's what's up, man. That's my trades for the day. That's my action. Amazon's it's totally disappointment. I hope it doesn't reject what I think is going to happen. You know how I feel about rejections. you know, I know the market's weak. You know, stocks like this, it just goes with the market. The market's down, it's down. It's up, it's up. You know, it's market's down, it's down, it's up, it's up. So I was thinking it's down 0.64%. I just think that's like a lot. You know, let's look at the Qs. It's down only 0.15%. So why is Amazon trailing the market so much? Facebook is up. Yeah, wow, that's not bad, man. 0.32. Facebook, what's the Netflix? NFLX is down 0.57, about the same as Amazon, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. I think Google's up. Google's up 0.45, and the other Apple. We'll look at Apple. Apple's up 0.32, and let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft is up 0.15. You know, I like to throw Visa in that mix. Visa's up, and MasterCard. Oh, MasterCard. I imagine MasterCard is up. Goddamn, goddamn MasterCard. What's MasterCard? Should I even own that stock? MA. Duh. MA. Yeah, and MasterCard is up. Damn, MasterCard's up 0.8. You know, so yeah, that's my buy. I'm gotta be patient with it. That's why I buy the leaps, and you just sit back. Hopefully it's one of those trades where you just put it in the drawer and forget about it, man. You just forget it. So all right, so I want to thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed this new format, and hopefully you guys even got this, man, because I'm like, where you guys at? Where are you guys? Let me see, make sure I'm public. Says public. Yeah. Okay, it looks good, and yeah, I need your kind of confirmation to see if it does look good. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and stop this and watch it. Watch my own video. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll be doing this again tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later. We'll track my trade together and see if I can do good. So far, Amazon is just crapping out on me, man. All right, I'll talk to you later. Peace.